Hi, this is John with Cold Plunge Connection, and in this video today, I'm going to talk about the Overland Portable Sauna Tent. If you are looking for a very easy to set up, very affordable sauna solution, if you're looking for that traditional wood-fired sauna experience and you want something to just test the waters, or it's something that needs to be portable if you're in a rental property, or you're just not wanting to invest in something that's huge right now, if you're not really sure you want to take that step, the Overland Sauna Tent is a great way to go. The only thing better than enjoying this sauna and getting the benefits from it is sharing it with friends and with my daughter and my family. So this has been a really wonderful addition to my self-care routine and really to my lifestyle. I've been doing cold plunges since I met Wim Hof in 2013 in Austin, Texas at his 2-day workshop, and I've been a big fan of cold plunging since then. As a matter of fact, I've authored a book, The Ultimate Chest Freezer Cold Plunge DIY Guide. I help people build cold plunges out of chillers and chest freezers, all kinds of DIY things you can imagine with regards to cold plunging. I've got a Facebook group now that has grown to more than 50,000 people worldwide, and I am super grateful that I get to help people experience the benefits of cold water immersion. Over the years, I've also learned that there are benefits to having a practice at the other end of the thermometer. We've been focused on the cold, but have been missing out this whole other amazing experience that can happen when you have a regular sauna practice. I'm not going to go into all of the benefits of sauna here, but I do want to talk about one of the hugest barriers to getting into sauna is the sauna itself. If you're looking at doing a traditional Finnish sauna, most of these wood-fired saunas, or even the ones with the electrical stoves, start around $5,000 and $10,000. They're in that range and they go up from there. Certainly if you're going to build something custom, it can be tens of thousands of dollars to make that happen. And you can get some amazing saunas. I've actually been in some of them. The sauna tent is a great option. It's a very affordable option, and I'm going to encourage you to check out the Overland Sauna's website to find out all the current pricing and the different packages that are available. So what comes with the package is the tent, the stove, you've got the rack for the sauna rocks. It does come with sauna rocks, and it's got a backpack or a carrying pack for the sauna tent itself. Other options include the bench, a bucket, a ladle. I also recommend getting the gloves. They also have an option for a cover. Again, check out their website for different packages. After having had a chance to use this sauna tent for several months, I can say that I am just absolutely thrilled with this sauna, and I really enjoy sharing this with my friends. So let me talk about the sauna itself, the tent, how easy it is to set up, and a few things you might need to know. If you do have any questions, there's going to be a website. There's my website. There's the Overland Sauna's website. I also became an affiliate, so there will be an affiliate discount code, which is Richter. And you can find that information in the video description below. If you have any comments or questions, please post those in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer any questions for you. And while you're at it, go ahead, if you do like what I'm doing here, if you want to like and subscribe, that's a great way to help support the channel. It is possible to set up the tent by yourself. If you have a friend to help you, which I definitely encourage, you can have the whole thing set up in about 4 to 5 minutes. The tent itself does come with 4 stakes. They use augers that you use to push and then screw them into the ground, so you don't need to have a mallet or a hammer to put the stakes in. If you do plan to leave the sauna outdoors full time, I do recommend getting the sauna roof cover that comes with it. It's made out of fiberglass, and it will have eyelets that you can attach rope to. The tent itself has 2 doors and 3 windows, so I'm going to show you how those work. Each door has a zipper. It goes along the side. You can open it. It has a Velcro piece on the end to keep it open. Let's go ahead and get that other door opened. The 3 main windows also come off and on with Velcro. Very easy to take these pieces off. There is also a small window on one of the sides, and the outside cover can be rolled up, held in place there. The inside actually is removable with a piece of Velcro. The setup was overall really easy. The biggest thing you want to make sure to do is to burn in the stove before you start using it, and then after you've spent maybe 3 fires or 3 hours, it'll be ready to use, and you can jump right in and enjoy the benefits of the sauna. Now, you can buy the bench. They have a great bench that comes with the sauna, and the nice thing about the bench, it's portable, it's very lightweight, it folds down. So there's 2 places in the bench that actually, the way the legs come down into a V shape, that you can put your wood for the sauna, which is pretty awesome. That helps keep it off the ground and keeps your wood dry. The holy trinity of a good sauna is going to be heat, steam, and ventilation, and the Overland sauna tent delivers all 3 of those things. First of all, the stove is designed and built in the USA, and it is a higher quality of stove. The materials are higher quality, and the welds are higher quality than what you're going to find on stoves that come from other locations. And what that means is that it's going to be more durable, and it's going to do a job better, more efficiently. It's going to last a lot longer than what some of these other stoves will that are less expensive or come from other countries that are not, they don't quite have that attention to quality in their workmanship or in the materials that they're using. So I've seen different sauna tents where the portable stove, once you get a fire in there, the material is actually glowing red hot. And that just means that the material is either low quality or the walls or chimney material are very thin. And that just means it's not going to last as long as you would get with a stove that's a higher quality. So the stove does make a big difference. So for the price, it's really hard to beat the quality of the stove that you can get in here. So the stove does produce a very good heat. You can get the rocks set up in the cage. You can also order additional stones to put on the top of the stove, which will help get that heat out there. How hot you can get it does depend on the type of wood that you use and the type of fire that you build. You can use the kiln dried, which really is the best wood. However, even the seasoned wood, which is the only type of wood I can get here locally, it has a higher moisture content. I've been able to get the temperature inside the sauna up to 180, 190. As you can see here, I was using a barbecue thermometer to measure the temperature, and I got it up to 199. I actually had it up to 205, but the phone shut off because it was so hot inside. The other thing is going to be the steam. So some saunas, you cannot pour water on them because of the electronics or how it's made. In this sauna, you can buy the bucket and the ladle, you can fill that thing up, and once it gets up to temperature, you can definitely ladle the water over here so you can get that good steam that's coming in there. And then the last thing is ventilation. The tent does have 2 vents in it. There's one on the lower side of the wall that's next to the stove, and then on the opposite wall there's a vent on the ceiling. So you've got really everything you need to get those 3 pieces of what makes a good traditional Finnish sauna. The only other extra things that I ordered, I did get a bucket for putting in the ashes, and it comes with a little brush and a scoop. The stove is really easy to clean out. You've got 2 grates in the bottom that also provide airflow for the fire. And after everything is burned and cooled down, you can remove the grates and scoop out the ashes. You could easily fit 3, possibly 4 people in the sauna. With the bench that comes with it, you could get 3 people in there if you want to be pretty cozy. If you wanted to get like a stump or another little stool or bench to sit on, you could easily put a 4th person in there, no problem at all. Breaking down the sauna is pretty easy. First thing we're going to do is remove any of the wood that we have on the bench. Next thing I'm going to do is take out the bench. If you need to break it down, you can always do that later. I like to remove the chimney in 2 sections, starting with the upper pieces. I'll take this and set it aside for now. Next thing I like to do is to remove the bottom part of the chimney. The sauna rocks that are on the side. I'm going to leave these other rocks on top of the stove. It might be useful to have a bucket or another container to put them in, but I don't have that, so I'm just going to pick this whole thing up and carry it out. Then I'm going to take off the fiberglass cover. Once you've removed the fiberglass cover, it can be very easily folded up and put away. The window covers can go back on pretty easily. Putting the windows back is just a simple matter of putting the Velcro back into place. Next, we're going to remove the tent stakes. Remember that they come out really easily by hand and you don't need any tools. Folding up the Overland sauna tent is really easy to do with just one person. And if you've got a friend on hand to help, that'll make it go a little bit faster. It takes a little bit of practice, but after just a couple of times of doing this and working by myself, it really only takes me about 2 to 3 minutes to fold down the entire thing and get it packed away. Having the entire frame built into the tent material makes it really easy to set up the sauna for use and to fold it up when you're finished. Finished. Hey, there's my sauna dad joke, right? It's just a simple matter of starting to push in these holes that are on the inside. We're going to do that on all 4 sides. And then it's going to start to collapse down. We'll do the same thing on the top. And everything really is going to be folding this direction. After you've gathered the tent together and put the straps around it, you can then put the bag over the tent. And you can get everything zipped in there. And you're ready to go. In our modern lifestyles, most of us tend to be stressed in a way that's not so great. And one of the benefits of having a traditional wood-fired sauna is that it helps you slow down and it helps you relax, it helps you regulate your nervous system. So if you're looking for a way to improve your health, more regulate your nervous system, if you're just looking for a way to just tune into your body and slow down for a little bit, they're just emotionally and mentally, having a wood-fired sauna, there's something very deeply satisfying about that experience. And then on top of that, you've got the benefits of being in the heat in the sauna. So I do encourage you to dive into that information, do a little bit of reading on your own to find out how this can be a part of your health and fitness routine or even your lifestyle. If you're interested in an Overland sauna, they have several packages that are on their website. You can find an affiliate link and a discount code, Richter, in the description of the video below. And if you're interested also in checking out things about cold plunges, if you want to buy or build a cold plunge, check out my website at chestfreezercoldplunge.com. That information will also be in the description below. So here's to your health. Here's to your regulated nervous systems. Have an awesome day. And if you get one of these things, I would love to see it, okay? I'd love to see your pictures. You're also welcome to join my Facebook group. We have a really amazing community worldwide of people who are talking about sauna, cold plunge, building, buying, all the things that are related to these amazing modalities that you can incorporate into your life for your own health and well-being.